Hello everyone. Today I have this small sweet potato, and rather than try to make food out of this, I'm just gonna put it to use to grow me more sweet potatoes. So first I'm gonna just break it there. This I might still be able to do something with later, so we'll just set aside for now. But this little one, I don't really want to try and make food out of that, so all we're gonna do is just fill her up with dirt and stick the sweet potato in it. You might have seen people do this with water, and that way certainly works, but this way should last longer and it won't rot, because the water way it works, I've done it before. That's actually how I grew these sweet potatoes. But it's just, it starts rotting, and when stuff rots, stuff stinks. So we're just gonna bury this in here. It's okay if it's not buried all the way, because they're going to sprout up from there. That's really all there is to this. It's not difficult at all. And then sometimes you don't even have to do that. As you can see, this one's already sprouted. That sweet potato right there is sprouting. This one I cut off of another sweet potato, and it already has roots because I stuck it in soil, because as you can see, I'm not exactly somewhere right now where I can actually plant them in the ground. So, but yeah, that's all there is to it. You just stick it in here. Those slips will start growing, and eventually the sweet potato will form roots, and then it should last a long time like that. And more importantly, it won't stink. That's all for today. I'm Chase the Great Gardener.